One of the things we love about Kenny, his daily market note, he always includes a recipe for a dish inspired by the day's headlines, and one that is not always too kind to your waistline. Kenny, I hear you have prepared something, and I know because you were tweeting in Spanish, so I don't know what it is, but I knew it had something to do with food. I could just tell.
Listen, it was perfect. Today's dish is paella, right? Because it's a great Spanish dish, and it feeds a lot of people. It takes a little bit of work to make it, more so than a lot of my recipes I try to make a little bit easier, but this paella dish is absolutely delicious once you make it.
Paella de Mariscos?
Yes, because it's a fish paella, because there's 3 different kinds of paella.
Or in Madrid, it would be Mariscos.
Mariscos, right. But there's Valenciana, which is like a meat, chicken, rabbit, that kind of thing, right? And sausage. And then the Marisco is the fish. And then there's the mixed paella, which is both the meat and fish. This one happens to be the fish recipe because I think I happen to love the fish paella. But it's a great dish, and if you make it right in a big pan, it serves a lot of people. It's a kind of a meal, you know, when you a big family-style meal where you put it right in the middle of the table and you enjoy it. It's great.
All right, it's bottom line, if you want to get Kenny's recipes, he puts them in his market note every day. Pretty much everybody wants them, so he can add you to the list. You can also tweet to Kenny, his handle at Kenny Polcari. By the way, you can tweet to me as well, at Matt Miller 1973. If you have any problems, any issues with this show, tweet them to me. No need to email my boss. Okay, time now for our market song of the day. We asked our guests to pick a song they feel best sums up the mood of the markets, and Tom, you chose Things Can Only Get Better by Howard Jones. Wow.
Hey, it's an 80s
Dating
song.
yourself. Yeah.
It is.
I'm a fan, though. You know, I
Yeah.
was listening to this right around the time I was buying Duran Duran cassettes. I was buying Howard Jones, too.
Yes. I remember in high school watching a Hojo concert.
So why do you pick this song, though?
You know, I think the market climbs a wall of worry, and we know the public's mood is very sour. We know hedge fund leverage is back to almost where it was in the lows. I mean, so investors are really bracing for the worst case scenario.
Everybody's bearish. I mean, if you want to be contrarian, it's pretty easy in this market.
Correct. So actually, the market's going to be surprised by positive, actually. Now,
All right.
of course, I don't think a Greek exit is priced in, though. But
There you go.
But he doesn't
But
think
I don't
there
think it's
will be
gonna
the Greek
happen.
He
exit.
doesn't think they'll be right.
yeah.
All right, Kenny,
I'm sticking with the Spanish theme.
Bamboleo by the
Gypsy Kings. Bamboleo literally means unsteady, right? Wavering and unsteady. And so it seems classic to me since we're talking about Spain. My dish was Spanish. I was tweeting in Spanish. We might as well go with a Spanish song.
I actually like it.
It's a great song. Gypsy, it's a great song.
I could see myself. By the way, I got an invitation for Moroccan swing dancing.
Well, are you going?
I might do it, actually.
You should.
I might do it. All right. I probably wouldn't be very good. Pleasure having you both.